Okay, so to create a link in one of those invisible ghost boxes, here's how you're going to do that. You'll go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle, and you're going to click and draw that shape over your first letter. Yes, it's covered up for now, but we're going to take care of that in a minute. First, let's make this shape a hyperlink. Right-click on that shape while it's selected, and then click on your screen. It says link. I'm on a Mac, so it's a little different. So you want to click on the word link, not the little arrow that's to the right of it. So click on where it says link. Ugh, yours is going to look different than this. You want it to, your options are on the side, lined up here on the left. Pick the one that says place in the document. Okay, and then you want to select the slide that you want it to link to. So if it's the letter H, you want to link to slide 2. Maybe yours is already labeled. What happens on a Windows device, after you select that, you get a preview of the slide that it would link to over to the right, which is really nice. Say okay. So now it's linked. Okay, now we could format this shape. You want to go into the shape format menu and change your shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline. Okay, then you'll just repeat those steps on all your other letters. Inhale to make the links. So again, you start by inserting a shape and you draw a rectangle over the letter. That's just going to be like your little trigger to be a link. Right click on it, select link from the menu, link to a place in this document, and select the slide number you want it to go to. After you created the link, change your shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline, and you should be good. The way to test this would be if you're on the actual editing section of PowerPoint, you're going to have to hold Control and click over that link for it to actually test and work. But the best way to do it is to go down to this little bottom icon for your slideshow and play it as an actual slideshow so that you get your little cursor finger comes up. That's letting you know that yes, this is going to link. So if I click A, it should bring me to my authenticity slide. All right, I hope that helps.